helicopter ride.
Woo!
Yay! We are here at the lovely helicopter pad in Vancouver.
We going coptering.
Coptering. Oh my god.
That's tiny.
It's too small. Hi. Yes.
Good. Bryce.
Hi, I'm Brooklyn. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do. Just pull. Nope. But
Yeah, just swap in, I guess.
handle underneath if you can.
Okay.
Yeah, and then just watch your feet. Don't step on the bags.
Okay. Alright guys, we're about to take off here. Very exciting day, 19th birthday. For Jackson and the best birthday No, we're not in California. I'll take another one, please. Say happy birthday, Brooklyn.
Happy birthday, Brooke.
Happy birthday, Brooklyn.
I live on a farm. I don't know what else to say.
Happy birthday to you.
Everybody look at you.
Happy birthday, dear Brooklyn. Happy birthday to you.
Don't let your hair catch on fire.
Okay, I got one.
Okay.
Nobody judge how long this is.
Are we video?
Yeah.
Then he left 15 because it's like things going on out there.
No, because this girl that I know, she lives down in Olympia, well, just about Olympia in the States, but her family is all from trail.
What's
I think it's something like,